How to lock chats on Telegram. For that, you need to first open up your Telegram app. Just tap on it to launch your application. And then make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, you just want to head over to the top left corner and tap on the three lines, or just swipe right on your screen like this. Once you tap on the three lines option, you will see a different menu pop up. Now tap on the settings right below saved messages. And once you land on the settings page, what you need to have to do is tap on the privacy and security tab. Then from here, you'll see on the security option, you have the passcode lock. Just tap on it. Now you're going to have to enable passcode. So just tap on this enable passcode button. Now you're going to have to create a 4-digit passcode. So let me just create a simple one for now. Then you're going to have to re-enter your password. And once that is done, your passcode has been enabled. So you can use the auto lock option, and you also have an option to unlock with fingerprint if you have biometrics. So you can choose the auto lock option, so you could disable it or make it 1 minute, 5 minute, 1 hour, or 5 hours. Tap on done. Now if I go back to my settings and to my chats, as you can see on the top right, there is this unlocked button. So if I just tap on it, now Telegram will be locked and all of my chats are secured. You're going to have to enter your PIN to unlock Telegram again, and you're good to go. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you next time.